We are now recording the session. I'd request everyone to kindly mark your attendance, please. Quickly mark your attendance. Mark your attendance, please. Please mark your attendance. Are you done? Yes, I've received 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Aman, Fatih, Abdul Sabur, Avaimer, Mohsen, Shakar. Okie dokie, done. Okay, facts and opinions, how to tell the difference. We have already done this topic previously in Unit 5. This is basically a revision, a reinforcement of the same concept so that you understand, because you have questions relevant to fact and opinion in your passage 1 of the comprehension or the reading paper. You have to extract, the examiner might ask you to extract one or two opinions from the text, and to give the reason, at times give the reason why you think it's an opinion. Okay, so you need to understand the difference. Facts are statements that can be proven, may be true or false. इसको क्या हुआ है मेरी स्लाइड को? ये इधर ऊपर क्यों है? अच्छा खैर, हाँ बस ठीक है. Okay, facts are statements that can be proven. Facts may be true or false, but in either case, whether true or false, they can be proven. Okay. For example, statistically, women live longer than men. This is a fact. Okay. If you notice, women have a longer lifespan compared to men. Men tend to pass away earlier compared to women. Most buses.
मैम मैम क्वीन एलिजाबेथ की ले लें एग्जांपल.
Exactly. Um, things are being recorded. I can't say stuff, but just look at her. People around her, people who were younger than her, they have passed away. She has lost her children, but she's still alive. Okay. Most buses weigh more than most cars. See, automatically, buses are bigger, they are heavier compared to cars, and so they weigh more than the cars. There are 10 inches in a foot.
Yeah.
Although the statement is incorrect, but you can prove it, can't you? This is a false statement. This is a false fact, but you can prove it. Isn't it so? Can we prove it? Can we prove it that there are 10 inches in a foot?
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
Yes, we can.
मैम कभी फुट मेजर नहीं किया.
Exactly. Although the answer will turn out to be false, yet this can be proven. Okay, remember that. Because this is the only tricky bit. Opinions are statements that cannot be proven. Opinions can be argued. Opinions may be supported with facts. Opinions cannot be proven. Okay? Golf is boring. We can have an argument. We can argue on this topic. There are people who will agree that golf is very interesting, and there are people who will agree that no, it is a boring sport. And those who will agree to their point of view, they will, provide facts to support their opinion. Pizza is delicious. I like pizza, you like pizza. There might be someone who doesn't like pizza. Okay? Math is the hardest subject. To some people, maths is the hardest subject. To others, it's a piece of cake. Okay? So, this shows that opinion is something which a person feels. Ji bete. Okie dokie. Sorry about that. Fact or opinion. Now you have to tell me whether the statement is a fact or an opinion. According to sales, this is the situation given. According to sales records, strawberry ice cream is the worst selling of all flavors. Is it a fact or an opinion?
A fact.
How? What makes you say that it's a fact?
Because, ma'am, it's according to sales records.
Very good. You have records to prove that strawberry ice cream it is not very easily sold. It is worst selling. Based on this fact, therefore, we can conclude that strawberry is the least popular major ice cream flavor. Is this a fact or opinion? Someone other than Aman. We can conclude that strawberry is the least popular major ice cream flavor. Abdus Sabur says that it's an opinion. How? Abdus Sabur, can you give me the reason why you think it's an opinion? How many of you raise your hands? How many of you think that this is a fact? How many of you think this is a fact? Raise your hand. Avaimer think it's a fact. The rest of you, please. I want to see your hands raised to see. Okay. I don't see hands raised. Okay, Shakar, Avaimer, Fasi. The three of you think that it's a fact. Mohsen, what do you think? Is it a fact or an opinion?
Fact.
It's a fact, okay. Aman, what do you think? Is it a
Ma'am,
fact or an opinion?
is this the same sentence or is it different?
I'm talking about the second one, this one. The second one. Is this a fact or an opinion?
A fact.
It's a fact. Abdul Sabur, do you know why? Because we just mentioned the first fact. Based on the first fact, they are saying, therefore, we can conclude that strawberry ice cream is the least popular major ice cream flavor. Based on the sales records, we found out that strawberry ice cream does not sell very well. Okay. Now, because it doesn't sell very well, we can conclude, we can give a statement that it is least popular. Okay. So based on the first fact, the second statement is also a fact. It's just that we are saying the same thing in a different manner. Come to point number 3. This is because strawberry ice cream does not taste as good as vanilla and chocolate. How many of you think this is a fact? Raise your hands. You are
मैम
correct.
तुम्हारे तो रैंड मैम हमारे
Yes, Fasi, what do you want to say?
opinion.
It is an opinion. Very good. How do we find out that this is an opinion? It says does not taste as good as. Remember, in week 5, I gave you certain hints on how to figure out whether a statement is a fact or an opinion, okay? And within an opinion, there is a persuasive word or a persuasive phrase, okay? Does not taste. It seems authoritative. It seems persuasive. Whenever you will have a persuasive word or a persuasive phrase, it means that someone is trying to persuade you, trying to convince you to their opinion, okay? because strawberry ice cream does not taste as good as vanilla or chocolate. That is wrong. For many people, like myself, strawberry ice cream tastes equally good. I don't like vanilla. Okay, I like strawberry. I like chocolate too. Okay, so based
Mango.
in oh, very nice mango is tasty as well. Okay, practice. Write down whether each example is a fact or an opinion. Explain your answer. I am going to give you 10 statements. You have to tell me whether the statement is a fact or an opinion. If you think it's a fact, you have to give me the reason why. If you think it's an opinion, you have to give me the reason why as well. Okay, here's your first sentence. It is not appropriate to watch funny cat videos during school. Is this a fact or an opinion?
Opinion.
It's an opinion. Very good. Why do you think it's an opinion?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
some
it is
people
not
can,
appropriate.
One person at a time, please. Aman.
ma'am, it can't like some people think it is appropriate to watch funny cat videos during school.
And
It can be proven. It can't be proven, sorry.
it can't be proven. Okay. And there will be others who will think that it is absolutely, there's no harm in watching funny cat videos. Isn't it so? Oh, what happened? Okay, here it is. Oh, screen share मेरा pause हो गया. एक minute है. Resume. Okay. Here's the second one. There are fewer panda bears in the world than grizzly bears.
Ma'am, it's a
Fact. Fact.
It's a fact. How? How can you prove it? What place will you use to prove this as a fact?
Ma'am, you can search in Google.
Very good. We can always search it in Google. We can check out the statistics from a zoo, from a zoologist, okay? A person who is experienced with the animals. Especially the animals living in their natural habitat. We can check with them. We can check with the school library. And the easiest and the most convenient way would be to check on internet. Next one. Drinking orange juice right after brushing your teeth tastes bad.
Opinion.
How? How is it an opinion?
Ma'am, it is not proven.
How can't you prove it? You can drink orange juice and you can taste, you can brush your teeth and then drink orange juice and your teeth will taste.
But ma'am,
It is bad.
some people like orange juice after they brush teeth.
Absolutely. Some people enjoy the taste of that minty, bitter taste, minty because of the toothpaste, and bitter because the citrus will taste bitter in your mouth if you drink it instantly after that. So there are people who like the taste, that bad, bitter, sour taste after they have brushed their teeth. Very good. I see that people are not participating. Please, everyone, participate. The Mountain Boys deserve to win the award for Best New Group.
Opinion.
How?
Opinion, ma'am.
Yes, Mohsin.
Ma'am, because he deserves.
Deserve to win. Exactly. Deserved is a persuasive word. Okay? Because this is a persuasive word, this shows that the statement is an opinion. This one. Chicken has not been properly prepared and cooked. Chicken that has not been properly prepared and cooked may cause salmonella. Salmonella is a kind of, what you call it, an upset stomach, diarrhea.
Ma'am, fact.
How?
Ma'am, you can ask a doctor
Or
or you can search Google if chicken that has not been properly prepared may cause the disease.
exactly, or you can eat an improperly cooked chicken and see the results for yourself. Go on. Oftentimes, you must have noticed you go to a restaurant and eat something over there, and the food might seem off, as we learned yesterday, because it was not cooked properly, and so later on you get indigestion. You don't feel well. That's because it was not cooked properly, or it was not cleaned hygienically. It was not prepared in a hygienic condition. Lying to your friends is wrong.
Opinion.
Why?
Ma'am, wrong?
Lying to your friends is wrong. Why do you think this is an opinion, Fasi? Sabur, I'd like you to participate. Mohsin, Shakar, Avaimir, I want all of you to participate.
ma'am.
I'm not teaching Fasi and Aman only. Yes, Avaimir.
It's um
fact.
What makes you think that it's a fact? If you think that it's a fact, give me the reason. If you think it's an opinion, give me the reason. Fasi think it's an opinion. Avaimir think it's a fact. Why? Avaimir first. Can you prove this? Can this be proven that lying to friends is wrong?
no.
Someone just sent me something in the text. Abdul says it's an opinion because some people might think that it is all right to tell a lie. Lying is wrong. Yes, I agree. But telling a lie to your friend might not be wrong. But because at times you might tell a lie because you want to surprise him with something, or you want to save him from something bad to happen. वो उर्दू में हम अक्सर कहते हैं ना, मसलहत के लिए भी झूठ बोला जाता है. मसलहत होती है जो आपने किसी की भलाई करनी होती है. ठीक है? It could be a
मैंने सलाम ने भी इजाजत दी.
exactly, Shakar, you're absolutely correct.